Let me show you now how to use Discovery to find relevant material for your research or assignment. First of all, you can go directly to library website www.lib.usm.my. Then you scroll down until you see this one, Chrysalis, and Discovery is here. So you can click Discovery. And now please key in your keyword, anything. So let me give an example with education here, then click search. Okay, what is actually Discovery? Discovery is one of the integrated search engine owned by the library. So the usefulness of this Discovery is actually you can simply use it in order to find across different databases that library have. For example, before this, our student they like to go one by one into each and every database in order to search for material. But by having integrated search engine like Discovery, you have no longer need to go into single database. Instead, you may go directly to one platform in order to search for all. So once you go into here, you need to log in first for full access, because right now we are using a single sign-on function. We need to verify you as a USM user. So you just key in log in using your own campus online account. So let me sign in first through Open Attend. So now the system tried to verify me as a USM user. Okay. So once you get the result like this one, actually Discovery, they're going to combine all kind of material, as you can see here, from academic journal, magazine, books, including the physical item that we own in the library, the physical book that we have, together with the audiovisual material and so on. So usually when we go into Discovery, our focus is we try to search for uh, academic article or academic journal article. So if you use a very general keyword like education, of course you're going to get very huge result like this one, and almost impossible for us to download them all. So what you need to do is, in order to ensure the relevancy of the material that we're going to download later, we strongly suggest you to use the refine function, which is available on the left hand side of the page. So let us give a try. First of all, you can limit to directly with full text. So you can click full text here. Full text. Then they're going to update for you directly. Then you can untick this one if you want to exclude the physical material like books or audiovisual material. Next, you can also refine the year, the period of year. For example, if you try to look for material starting from 2000, 10 to 2021. So you can refine from here, then you just enter, then they're going to update. Or even you can play around with the slide function here in order to choose the period. Next, if you want to focus directly to academic journal, so you can simply click here. And you can also refine your result by subject. So basically the subject which are available here is the most popular one. But you can click this one, show more, in order to see all the alternative available. So you can choose your subject from here. For your information, you can choose more than one subject as long as it is relevant to you. For example, I type education just now, so you might want to refine further of what kind of subject related to education. So you can choose more than one. So for example, it's related to psychology as well as religion, teaching method. You can choose as long as it is relevant to you. So you just click update after you have chosen your appropriate subject. Then they're going to update further. And it goes the same with any other function available here. If you want to choose based on the publication, you can choose from here. If you want to specify onto a very specific geographical area, you can choose from here. If you want to refine according to language also, you may do so from here. Publisher is here, and so on. Correlation and content provider. If you find it is relevant, you can use it. Otherwise, you just leave it. But the most important one, I think you may start with limit to refine your period of time, source type that you want to focus on, and also the subject. The rest, it depends on you. And after you feel satisfied with the result that available in the middle here, so you can start browsing them one by one by looking into their title and additional information provided here in order to verify, identify whether it is relevant to your search or not. Once you find it is relevant to you, you can start downloading them by simply click the PDF full text icon if it is provided. For example, like this one. So I find that it is useful for me. So I simply click PDF full text in order to download the full text in the form of PDF. So this is the example. Okay, I managed to get this one. So you can download it. You can even print it directly from here, and many other functions as you can see here. You can also save them directly to your Google Drive. You can email to your colleague and so on. Okay, how about the material that you cannot find the PDF icon? Let me show you example. Okay, the PDF is here. It is okay. Okay, how about this one? For example, you really need this article, but suddenly you cannot find the PDF full text icon here. So what you need to do? You can give a try with this one, full text finder. So you can click this link. So it is another option where you can get the article. But of course, it is depending again on the library subscription. So they're going to provide you with a few links where they think you may find the photo article. So you may give a try. For example, I click this one. Usually they're going to bring you direct to the publisher's website. So maybe you can find any icon for PDF. It is there. If not, for example, like this one, okay, seems that they doesn't provide me with full text. What you need to do is, okay, I give you another alternative. After you give a try with full text finder, but unfortunately you still cannot get the full text. The last option that you can do is please apply request for this specific article through Interlibrary loan service. You need to fill in a form. You simply click this one, home, to library website, go to services, click this one, Interlibrary loan services. Then you need to fill in this form, Interlibrary loan form for article. Then you just fill in the information. So of course you need to fill in your USM email first in order to verify your identity. And then the following one, you need to fill in your personal information, including the information of the article. From title, so you just copy and paste from here, title, author. Usually they're going to ask also for volume, issue, and so on. So what going to happen next is after you fill in this form, then you submit. So our staff will try to search this article first into open access platform if it is available. If not, then we're going to ask our colleague librarian from other public university library. For example, if UM library has it, then they're going to send us the PDF. So it is a kind of MOU among us. So it goes the same. Other university student also, if they doesn't get the full text, their library going to ask from us. So this is the last alternative that you can use in order to get the article. So basically, this is how you can fully utilize Discovery in order to search for research material in order to complete your research or assignment.